Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. If you've been searching for the latest and most reliable way to install ESign and sideload IPA files on your iPhone or iPad, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you an updated method that works without APC, without jailbreaking your device, and supports iOS 15 all the way up to iOS 6.5.2 and even iOS 27 beta. I've personally tested this method on my iPhone running iOS 27 beta, and it's working great. Let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open the Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links available there. Simply hit on arrow down in front of the top first link and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Remember, if one link don't work, then you can try the other links as well to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problems. Now hit on three dots on top, and then hit on Import option. And then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on the Apps option at bottom. Then hit on the imported IPA file, and then hit on Signature, and then hit on Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. This method is currently one of the easiest ways to sideload IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad. With ESign, you can install IPA files directly on your device. No computer required, no jailbreak required. Works on both iPhone and iPad. Supports iOS 15 through iOS 6.5.2. I've also successfully tested it on iOS 27 beta. And that's it. That's the latest updated way to install ESign and sideload IPA files on iPhone and iPad without a PC or jailbreak. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to Skibbity Tech, and turn on notifications because I'm always uploading the latest iOS tutorials, IPA installation methods, app updates, and new guides as soon as they're available. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.